To take part in the TeMPS interim assessment, just follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have uploaded your ID as required by your instructor, usually through a dedicated form on the Moodle page of the course. On the day of the interim assessment, you will need 2 devices, one to complete the assessment and another to let us supervise your environment. In most cases, the simplest solution is this. Use your smartphone as a webcam. Join the Zoom session with your phone, keep its microphone on, and place it so that both you and your workspace are clearly visible. Choose a quiet, tidy room and make sure you are alone. Then, use your computer to log into Moodle and complete your interim assessment there. Remember, your phone or webcam is only for supervision. Make sure your Zoom microphone is on. The assessment itself must be done on Moodle from your computer. Once you are connected to Zoom with your phone and to Moodle with your computer, follow the instructions given by your instructor for that specific session. We wish you good work and the best of luck in all your interim assessments.